In this guide, I'll show you how to fully close apps on your Mac. This applies to all versions of Mac OS. Whether you're using a MacBook with an M1, M2, M3, or M4 chip, the steps are exactly the same. Let's get started. First, let me demonstrate by opening an app, Safari in this case. If you simply close the app by clicking the red cross in the top left corner, the app window will close, but the app itself will remain open. You can tell the app is still running because there's a small dot beneath its icon in the dock. This indicates the app is active in the background. To fully close the app, reopen the app by clicking on its icon in the dock. Go to the top left corner of your screen and click on the app's name, such as Safari, in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select Quit Safari or the relevant app name. Once you've done this, the small dot under the app icon in the dock will disappear, confirming the app is completely closed. Alternatively, you can quit the app directly from the dock. Right-click, or use two fingers to click, depending on your settings, on the app icon in the dock. Select Quit from the menu that appears. The small dot under the app icon will disappear, indicating the app is no longer running. And that's it. Now you know how to fully close apps on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.